Hello, if you're new here, please do subscribe, please do leave us a like and a comment, I'll be sure to get back to you. Today we're going to go over a nunchuck technique, okay? And it looks like this. By all accounts, it is a contact move. The nunchuck rolls down your arm like a slinky, which is pretty cool, okay? So, first of all, I'd like to take this moment of your time to explain what's going on my channel next year. Next year, we're going to be having a whole lot of multi-prop going on, so we're going to have staff. We're going to have 3-section staff, which I like to use like a nunchuck. Same as a staff, I like to use that like a nunchuck. It's a big old nunchuck, okay? So we're going to have poi, which are going to help you with your double techniques. We're going to have double nunchucks, okay? We're going to have a whole lot of multi-prop going on, okay? So please be sure to subscribe. Please be sure to like this. Please be sure to add this to a playlist. And please be sure to share this wherever you are, okay? Because this needs to get out there, okay? So thank you for letting me have a moment of your time. So we're going to be going over the move after my intro. So first part, what you need to do, you need to get used to bringing the nunchuck up. My palm is facing down to you, to the back of me, do you see? So we go here and it will slide down your arm, like so. Right, second of all, when this has come down your arm, when you feel it here, I want you to draw this into your chest like so. From there, what you're then going to do is you're going to slide your body over and you're going to grab the nunchuck like this. Once you got here and here, yeah, what you're then going to do is you're going to, this stick here, you're going to pull and straighten it out like so, okay? That will cause it to unwrap from around your hands. So you go here, here, pull it out and grab it here. From there, what you're then going to do is you're going to throw this around the back and rip roll. And then you're going to wrist roll back over, go for a rotation and then clutch it. Right, so remember, I'm not back until February the 1st, so I'm going to leave you with a few combos which you can learn and enjoy yourself.